Reservation is not a fundamental right guaranteed under the Constitution of India. Observe the Supreme Court on Thursday. What is the case? A bunch of pleas filed by various political parties against the centre decision not to grant 50% reservation to the OBCs. As per Tamil Nadu law, in medical seats surrendered by the state in all India quota for undergraduate, postgraduate and dental courses in 2020-21. DMK in its plea had said that it was opposing the denial of implementation of 50% OBC policy of the state other than the central government of institution. What court observed? A bench led by Justice L. Nageshwara Rao expressing genuine wonder at how political rivals have come together as one. In this case, allowed them liberty to approach the Madras High Court. At the very beginning, Justice asked Mr. Wilson, whose petition come up first, how the plea was maintainable. The reservation is already existing. We are not asking the court to provide any further reservation. Mr. Wilson responded, but you have filed a writ petition under Article 32 of Constitution. Article 32 petition is for violation of fundamental rights. What is fundamental rights have been violated here? Justice Rao asked Mr. Wilson. The senior advocate replied that right to education and right to reservation violated. Right to reservation is not a fundamental right. Do you want to dismiss this issue, or we can otherwise permit you to withdraw? Justice Rao gave the lawyer an option. All the parties agreed to withdraw petition from Supreme Court and move to the High Court. Now, what is the BJP stand? BJP President JP Nadda asserted on Friday that his party and the government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi are committed to reservation, a day after the Supreme Court said quota is not a fundamental right. While BJP underscored its support to reservation, its ally and Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan demanded that all parties should come together and put all laws related in quota in the 9th schedule of Constitution, which will prelude any legal challenges to it. What are the facts? Reservation in India is a system of affirmative action that provides representation for historically and currently disadvantaged group of Indian society in education, employment and politics. Enshrined in Article 15 and 16 of the Indian Constitution, it allows the government to set quotas to ensure any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens is properly represented in public life. It is intended to realize the promise of equality enshrined in the Constitution of India. Reservation is primarily given to the three groups: scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC. It is other backward class, abbreviated as SC, ST and OBC respectively. These are the groups that have faced social and economic discrimination in the past and or the present and were severely underrepresented in public life. Originally, reservation was only given to the SC and STs, but was later extended to OBC in 1987 after the implementation of Mandal Commission report. Reservation is a part of Indian system before freedom. In far side ruler was Chhatrapati Shahu on the princely state of Kolhapur. On 26 July 1902, an administrative order was passed in the Kolhapur State Gazette that sent shockwaves across the British India. Is reservation a fundamental right guaranteed under Constitution? Article 46 direct to the state shall promote with special care educationally and economically interest of the weaker section of the people and in particular of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and shall protect them from social injustice and form of exploitation. Article 335 of Constitution deals with the claims of the member of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes shall be taken into consideration consistently with the maintenance of efficiency and administration in the making of appointment, service and the post in connection with the affairs of union or of a state. In the state of Kerala versus Yanam Thomas 1975 judgment, the Supreme Court did extend the benefit of reservation to promotion while upholding the rule that gave further exemption of 2 years to SC/ST candidate in passing the test. In Indira Sahani 1992 judgment, where 27% other backward classes OBC reservation was challenged, a 9-judge bench authoritatively laid down the law on reservation. What are the positive findings were? Article 16/4 is not an exception to the right to the equality of opportunity provided under Article 16/1. But an illustration of the right to equality of opportunity, a caste can be and quite often is a social class in India. A classification between backward and most backward is constitutionally permissible, and T. Devanasan was wrongly decided. But here to the court explicitly said that in further reservation, benefit cannot extend to promotion and creamier is to be excluded in the reservation for OBCs. Further reservation through not anti-merit should not apply to some service or certain post. So I will be what I think on reservation, while this is against the idea of social justice. This stems from a misunderstanding of a certain part of constitution. The reservation policy is mentioned in the part of 3rd of Indian Constitution, which itself related to fundamental rights. This is enough to consider reservation is a fundamental right. So just wait. We will took out what Supreme Court will direct in next few years in same case, because in past we seen a same Supreme Court 5-judge bench gives one judgment and 9-judge bench same judgment overruled. So let's hope may Supreme Court will reconsider its view and will reservation in the part of Schedule 16/6 will take. This is for today. We'll meet in next episode with new topic. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.